What's up, people? Truck driver here. Today we have showcase for one product. It's a tablet from company AGM Mobile. It's Agm Pad P2 Active tablet. It came with 50 megapixel main camera, 8 megapixel front camera. It's powered by Android 14. It's 11-inch tablet with protective case, with strap and everything. So let's open this to see how this look. Is it everything they say here? It supports dual nano SIM, USB 2.2. It has also 3.5mm headphone jack. Like I said, 50 megapixel main camera. So let's see what we have inside. So let's open to see what we have inside. So okay, let's see what we get inside first. So we have some stickers. We have a shoulder strap here. It's branded, very nice. Okay, we have here also some few papers. Okay. We have here charger, 20-watt charger. Okay. Type C to Type C, very nice. Okay, let's see the main star of this unboxing. Okay, very nice. It's pretty robust. USB, headphones jack. Okay, you can use it like very nice. You can use it like carrying case. Very nice. I'll show you later some B-rolls. So it's look very premium. So it's well protected. So I will open now to see. Okay, let's see how look this. Okay. We have here, we can open this. Headphone jack, USB, 2 cameras, power. Okay, let's open this to see. You have from every side small pins, and it's go very easy. So then we need to open this rubber part. It's really well protected. So rubber parts, look at this, it's really great rubber. And then we have this one more plastic parts. Okay, very nice. So when it's weather sealed, so it's water resistant with case, but also without case is water resistant. You see you have here those protection, and it's also without case water resistant, and that's very important because you don't want to maybe use the case all the time or something like that. So let's start to see. AGM Mobile, okay, powered by Android. It's look very nice, very fit very nice in your hand. Okay. Okay, I'm going to set this up so we can. So guys, I just started. Display is very nice, very bright. It's very fast. settings. Let's see what we have here. Okay, storage. Let's see, storage. 8 GB RAM, 8 plus 8 GB RAM. Okay, very nice. Eight plus 8, 60 GB RAMs. Okay, total space 256 GB. Okay, very nice. So I didn't install any of the apps. I will install here some games. I will install some navigation. So we will try that on my truck, how it's going. 14 GB. No, what was okay. 8 plus 8. Battery capacity 8000 milliampere. AI camera 50 megapixel. Front 8 megapixel. I will show you also the video from that. Android version 14. Okay, April 5th. Very nice. It got latest Android version. Very nice. Octa-core AGM device. Okay, very nice. You have everything here. So the tablet is awesome. I don't know. It has FM radio. Also, probably we need to use this with headphones. It will not work like this. Very nice. Let's see what else we have here. Or pre-install Google services. Yeah, let's try this. I don't have Apple Pencil here. Lana, she had that. Oh, it's work very nice with this pencil. Nice. Let's see. Just a second, sorry. I need to because to sound it because of the copyright. But look how fast everything is open. Okay, home, shorts, very nice. It's really open really fast. Good. So we don't have a problem with very nice. You can also get here to go directly to another app. From here you have some shortcuts. So like I says, let's see, just battery, displays, network, SIMs. So mobile data. Okay, so you have support for SIMs, like I says. The here camera stays from this side. This is very familiar camera. You have flash here, 2 cameras, so it's really nice. For the tablet, it's great. I can say it's really great. It's sealed, it's waterproof. That's important. So let's jump now. I'm going to install now some games, navigation. I will put this also this case, so we'll go outside to see how it's going, how it's fit to make some videos and everything, so I can show you. I was installing again this case. It's really, I don't know what else should I do with this. It's really protective. Nothing happens, so it's really great. So this handle is also nice. You can put it like this and use it. Also like this. It can be like that in vertical mode. So you have like this. You can watch YouTube, play games and everything. So one more thing. You can use it like that if you work outside, if you are in construction somewhere it doesn't fall you. You have protection here, so you can use it. It's really nice. Tablet is very fast. I'm really satisfied how the fast is and everything. So I was installed here Cygic. We will try it later. Also it's open immediately, so let's try.
something. You see how fast is navigate. It's open really fast. Navigate.
Head in direction to west.
It's really fast. So vertical mode, this mode like that. So you have also position you want to be lower. What else? This is also 360. So you can, if you want to use it like this, you can use it like this also. I didn't show you that. So really nice, really convenient. Or if you want to carry like this or accidentally fall down, nothing happens. It's really well protected. Really, this case is so awesome. It's full of the rubber, plastic and everything, so it's really nice. Okay, so what else? You have this also, but you need to open this to install. Put it here and here if you want to use it like that, or put it here and here if you want to use it like that. So we have here also camera. Camera is also awesome. You have 50 megapixel video, also video goes to 2K. So shutter sound, okay, you have to change, you have settings, everything to change here, but it's look very nice. And it's what is important is very fast. Let me show you the games. Speakers is also really nice. Picture quality is great. You have this stand, you can use it, set it, let's say Berlin. It's so awesome, that is so fast. I'm really surprised how fast it is. So most important thing through the navigation is that you can work. The device must be really good so you can use it easily. For example, if you drive, you want to easily see can you go on this street or not, or something like that, you know. For example, here you see how slow. This is Mercedes original. Look at that. So, and look at this. So you can use it really flawless. Just put it and it's worked very nice. This is Tom. And this is Agm navigation. So it's look like this. You can put it with stand, you can use it easily, and that's all.